Guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm showing you how to make slime in India. Yes, so this was requested video from my cousins, so I thought let's do this video like an awesome one, like awesome. So I just have a simple and easy technique to do this slime. So let's get into this video. The things you'll need will be Favi gum. You can see it is a PVA glue, and some baking soda. You can see some pinches of baking soda and body lotion and eye drops. So keep in mind that what you're taking eye drops should have ingredient sodium borate or borax acid or buffered or saline. So keep in mind and check that out if you have any eye drops ingredients have all those things. So let's get into this video. So in a bowl you gonna take your gum and pour all the glue in it like that, and do this to both of your bottles. I poured both my bottles and these are over, and now you're gonna add some water. So not so much, 1/4 of water, and mix this thingy up. So like that. Now I'm adding body lotion because of long lasting and it will not lose that moisture. So Santo body lotion, you can use any body lotion. I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Sure, I'm just eyeballing it. Mix this thingy up so you can see that blue color. Now you're gonna add your baking soda. Full baking soda. Mix it well.